Hi, in this video I will explain how to turn on two-step verification on TikTok. I'll explain very clearly within 1 minute, so please follow this video until it's finished. Before that, make sure your TikTok is on the latest version. First step, click on the profile button in the lower right corner. Second step, click on the hamburger icon in the upper right corner. Third step, click on Settings and Privacy. The fourth step, click on Security to enter the security settings of your TikTok account. Before I continue, for all of you who want to grow TikTok quickly and organically, you can check the link in the description of this video. There will be people with a good reputation, who are ready to help you grow your TikTok quickly and organically. Okay, let's continue the tutorial. You can choose to use email or SMS to enter two-step verification. In this tutorial, I will only use email. Next, click Turn On. Enter the email address that you will use as two-step verification. Make sure the email you are using has not been registered with another TikTok account. Then, click Send Code. Enter the verification code that was sent to your email address. Make a password by following the conditions set by TikTok. In the phone number section, I'll just skip it, because my phone number is already registered on another TikTok account. Okay, now the TikTok two-step verification has been successfully activated. I hope this video can help you. If you have questions, please write them in the comments column.